How to fix the Roblox mobile kicking you out. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can solve this very problem of yours. First go to the setting option. After going to the setting option you will be seeing an interface like this. From here you need to go to the apps option. Now choose for the very Roblox on your phone. Tap on it, scroll a little bit down, tap on the storage option, clear all the data and clear all the cache from here. And after you do that, again go back. And now what you need to do is just force stop. After you force stop it, tap on the very battery option. It is tapped on the restricted option. What you need to do is tap on the very optimized option, because if you restrict it then it will kick you out. Now after tapping on the very optimized option, go back. And now you need to go to the Google Play Store, uninstall and reinstall your Roblox again. And you need to go and tap on the very section of power off and restart or power off your phone and open it. And when you open and log into your Roblox account again, it should not happen again and your problem should be solved. But it happens again, then you can simply go to the help section of the Roblox game and ask for the help, when Roblox will give you a feedback after a few days. So that's how I can solve your problem. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.